Would like to extend a very special thanks to Erin for being here, Orlando Pride for the partnership, and Publix for hosting us this evening. We're excited to actually share in Erin's food journey as she takes us all the way to Southeast Asia.
All right, so this has a lot of Southeast Asian flavor because we as a family, when I was in the 9th grade, moved over to Jakarta, Indonesia, but I fell in love with all the different types of food, obviously, in Asia. So this menu is kind of a blend of chicken satay with peanut sauce is like my diehard favorite thing in the world. There's a lot of things in here that I've tried over the years that I just really love.
And then we're also going to put some other goodies in there as well. And what goodies are those? And spice world, of course. We're going to use some ginger. We're going to use some garlic. We're going to use some of the easy onion. Really, really good stuff. And then we're going to also squeeze up some lime juice.
Kids, while we're thinking about it, a nice round of applause for Erin here. Yeah.
I'm just so tired from working so hard in there. Oh my God. I'm just so grateful that you're all here.